Hello, I'm Chris Menard. Did you know that YouTube, which is the second largest search engine in the world, has keyboard shortcuts to help you get around? So I have a video pulled up, and it is one of my videos. The first keyboard trick I want to teach you is the total video in length is 16 minutes and 16 seconds. That's in the bottom left-hand corner. If you know approximately where you need to get to, you can use the keyboard to jump around. So since it's 16:16, pressing the number 5 on the keyboard, which I'm going to do right now, takes me to 8 minutes and 8 seconds. That's halfway between 16:16. Pressing the number 3 will take me to 30% of the video, which it just did. I'm at 4:52. One more, the number 7, there's 70%. And I'm going to just go back to the number 5 right here. So there you go. Also, to move around still, if you know you just missed something and you said, oh, I need to back up just for a second, on your keyboard, if you notice the letters J, K, and L, those 3 letters are all together. So this was intentional. I'm going to start pressing the letter J. Notice I'm at 808, 758, 748, 738. So the letter J will move you back 10 seconds. The letter L, so I'm intentionally skipping K right now, will move you forward 10 seconds. You can see that that's working in the bottom left corner. The letter K, which I haven't done, right now the video is paused. The letter K will play it. I just hit play. I got the volume muted. There it is again. So that's J, K, and L. Down below, my web guy, Christian, came up with this nice little keyboard shortcut. I will put this down in the description. I just did J, K, and L. So let me do a couple of these other ones real quick. I'm back in the YouTube video. So J and L were 10 seconds. If you want to move 5 seconds, that is the left arrow key. I'm at 8:54, 8:49, and then 5 seconds forward is the right arrow key. So the left arrow key and the right arrow key. Also, I'm muted right now, the letter M will mute and unmute. And when you're unmuted, I'm hitting the up arrow key. That is moving me up 5% on the volume. The down arrow key is moving me 5% down on the volume. And again, the letter M will mute you. Couple more real quick. So there's the 5% volume. Decrease volume and mute. The letter F, if you're watching a YouTube video and say I need to go full screen, I'm recording now, but I'll try this anyway. The letter F will take you full screen. You can actually press the letter F again to get out of full screen, or you can press the escape key. Those 2 are right there. If you need to restart your video, since I was showing you the number 5 is halfway, I could press the 0. But if you need to get to the end of the video, it is the end key. And the reason you would want to jump to the end of the video in case you're in a playlist and after you watch one video, the next video starts, you'd want to jump to the end of that video if you realize I've already seen this video. That'll jump you to, that way you can go to the next video. Anyway, I believe that is it. There's a couple more down here, and Christian put all these on one page. There's a nice PDF. But there's your increase speed, decrease speed, and the frame thing's actually pretty cool too. But there they are written out for you. I appreciate your time. Feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day.